How to stop ads on your Android device. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys a few methods to stop ads on your Android. First off, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome or any other of your browser. Then from here, tap on the three dots and then go to settings. Once your settings is open, scroll down until you find the option. So here, go to privacy and security. And right at the bottom, you have accessibility and site settings. Go to site settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the content part. Then tap on pop-ups and redirects. Make sure that this is turned off. So when this is on, the pop-ups and redirects will be allowed. So you just want to go ahead and turn this one off. Go back and go to intrusive ads. Make sure this one is off as well. So here, if this is on, any site that you visit can show you ad. So if you turn this on, the ads are blocked. This is the first method. The other thing you can do is go to settings. And from here, scroll down all the way until you find your option for Google account. So tap on Google and go to Google Services. Here, go to All Services and then find Ads. Tap on Ads. Then you can go to Ads Privacy. Now, if this is allowed here, you can just go ahead and go to Reset Advertising ID. But before you do that, you can delete your advertising ID. So all of the ads you see here will be related to your advertising ID. So make sure to delete it. Once that is done, the final thing you can do is go to your settings again, go to connections, and then go to more connection settings. Now on the private DNS, you can just go ahead and select your provider name, add dns.adguard.com, and then tap on save. Now doing all of this will block most of the ads that you see on your phone. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.